Class 4, we were on chapter number 3. We were talking about file and folder. I told you about renaming, copying and moving a file or folder. I'll repeat it for you. Renaming is giving a new name to an existing file or folder, while copying a file or folder is placing a folder in the destination folder without removing it from the source folder. Source folder is that folder that is an original location, and destination is another location where we are copying it without removing it. Without removing it means without deleting a file. We can also delete a file. We will talk about deleting a file later. Now moving a file. Moving a file or folder is shifting from its original location to another location. Again, without deleting it. Now, deleting a file. At page number 26, deleting a file or folder. You can simply right click the folder. There is a delete option, and you can directly delete this file from there. After that, there is an icon on the desktop of recycle bin. If you permanently want to delete a file, you have to open it, recycle bin, and look here. To delete the file or folder permanently, click empty the recycle bin in the recycle bin window. Right? It is a built-in icon in the Windows, and it is this icon is present in all the windows. Look, this is recycle bin. At page number 18, this. Now we have our next topic, gadgets. What are gadgets? They are small programs that you can place on your desktop for information at a glance. Glance mean कि फटाफट आप without opening any file or folder, you can create a shortcut at your desktop. Windows 7 gives you the option to add a calendar, clock, weather information, etc. to your desktop. Right click your desktop and select gadgets from there. These are gadgets present there. Okay. And you can simply drag the gadgets you want to place them anywhere on your desktop. When you if you want to add this gadget, you can simply click on it, and like this you can place it on a desktop. Right class, customizing a gadget. Again, there are options present there, and you can place it. Customizing अपनी मर्जी से आपका जो जैसे दिल करता है उसको आइकॉन को आप अपनी मर्जी से एडजस्ट कर लें. राइट, दिस इज ऑल क्लास, एंड दिस इज you can now do questions related to this which I have given to you. This is all for more about Windows 7. We have talked about file and folders, renaming, moving and deleting a file, and there is nothing new. And about screensaver, wallpaper. Hope you understand all of this. Allah Hafiz class.